And what Power BI can do is, Power BI is, here reports are interactive. You can interact with the report, whatever the report which is shared, user can able to interact with the report. All the dashboards are like the pie charts, bar charts, tables, everything user can able to interact in however he want. He can see different views of insights. That is one thing. And this is what one of the main feature, self-service. Here, as we are going to share our reports through a Power BI Pro, we can access the report from anywhere. You can access the report from anywhere, and here user can interact with the report and the dashboard. Along with that, don't worry about my spelling mistakes, user can able to interact with the report and dashboard. Along with that, user can take a copy of the report, dashboard or a data set. What is the dashboard? I will explain. He can take a copy of it, he can interact with it, he can take a copy of it, and he can modify the report according to his requirement, or he can create his own report. This is what the main concept of Power BI. Okay, understand this point very clearly, so that you will feel that what SSRS can do or Tableau can do. So I am referring that developer is going to create a data set with the help of a data model, and then after he is going to create a report with a multiple pages. Then after he is going to create a dashboard. What is the dashboard? I will explain. So he created these things. Then after he is sharing that one with the user. What user can do is, user can interact with that report and a dashboard. He can see that report and dashboard. Along with that, what he can do is, he can take a copy of it. He can take that copy. Once he took a copy, what he can do is, he can modify the report. He can modify that report or dashboard according to his requirement. He cannot change my report, but he can change whatever the copy that he took. Okay, so he can take a copy of it and he can modify the report and dashboard, and he can see the insights however he want. Along with that, he already took a copy of the data set also. He can create his own reports or his dashboards from my data set. Okay, this is what a Power BI supports. What a business user can do is this one. Like as a Power BI developer, you are going to construct a data model with the help of a DAX, SSAS, everything, and you are going to create a basic insights whatever they want, and you are going to release it. User can interact with it, and then after he can even at this point of time people are not doing it, but he can take a copy of it, he can modify it, the report, and he can see according to his requirement, and he can create their own reports. That is what people call it as a self-service. We are getting a data set and we are going to create our own reports from anywhere. Now understand a small logical point. The user or the developer is sharing the report with the help of Power BI service, web-based application, to the user. User is accessing the report or dashboard with the help of Power BI service, web-based application. Through web he is accessing and he is taking a copy it. I said he can modify the report. He can create a report, I said. In order to create a report or in order to modify the report, what we require? Power View is required. What is the concept of Power View? Creating a visualizations. If the user need to modify the report or create a report, he require a Power View in a Power BI service. That is the reason I said, boss, Power BI service contains a Power View. Why not it is a Power Pivot? Why not Power Query? Only why Power View is, with the help of a Power BI service, user can access the reports from anywhere, and we are providing the access to modify the reports or create the reports. In order to create or modify the reports, we require a Power View. That is the reason Power BI service contains a Power View. So this is what the feature of Power BI, where developer can create a report and dashboard and share with the user. User can access it and user can take a copy of it, and user can modify it. User can create his own reports with the help of the data set, which we used to call it as a self-service. From anywhere he can do it. So that is what one of the features. Does anyone has any questions on it?